Hello, guys, and welcome to this 8th grade, 3rd unit language arts and grammar and writing tutorial. I will be teaching you in this tutorial about present and past tense verbs. So get ready with all your things, your book and your notebook, and let's get ready to start this lesson, guys. Okay, so we're gonna look first, guys, at the present and past tense verbs. Like I said, this is our main topic right now. You will find this on page 276 of your language book. So you can open up the page and we will see that theme, that topic together. And we will take a look at some examples and how do we add and how ed, s, and different type of things to the sentences, okay? So the first example you guys see on the book is the first example you will see on the video. So first we have the first rule that the book gives us is the use of the present tense. So the book says like this: use the present tense to tell an action that happens now or often. So this is a rule that tells us that it's an action that it's happening now or often means regularly, that it happens most of the time. You can say every day maybe. So the example is scientists learn about the ocean every day. What's our main verb here? Learn, guys. So learn tells us that it's an action that the scientists are doing in that same moment, or that they do probably often or every day. So that is the main example the book is giving us, okay? You can also say the students learn about the ocean in school every day, for example, and that will be something that you do often, something that you do every day, okay? Next, we have the use of S. So use S at the end of a verb that tells us what one other person or thing does. Okay, this will be the example that the book is giving us, and S at the end of a verb tells us what other person or thing is doing, okay? This will be the present also, what somebody is doing in that moment. If you talk about someone else or a third person, you can add S, okay? The example is, my friend learns about the ship too. Okay, the verb here is learn, but since they're talking about the friend, you add S to the verb, okay? For example, I have another one example for you. My mom cooks spaghetti for dinner, okay? My dad drives to work every day. Okay, you see there the verb has S at the end. Okay, guys, that is this type of verb. Okay, then the next one, guys, we now go to past tense. So now, once we look already at present, we now look at past. Okay, so use past tense to tell about an action that has already happened. Okay, so this is an action that already passed. The same word says it, it's the past. So it's something that already happened, like it says on the rule. So in this example, they're giving us, yesterday we looked at a video about the ship. That's the same example we see on the book. And it's basically telling us that they looked at a ship probably in school, but they're talking about an action. Okay, the action here, the verb is looked, and you see there the ed is underlined. Okay, you can uh, have a more examples, guys. I can give you more examples, I'm sorry, of this ed uh, past tense verb. And for example, you can say we washed the car on Monday. I called my father when I got home yesterday. My mother worked all day on Saturday. So you see those different examples is where you add ed, guys. Okay, and it's also very you see it very clear in the pronunciation also. Okay, when you add ed to the verb. Okay, and last, guys, we have the rule in your book. Is this one the same one I'm showing you? Add ed to most verbs when you talk about a past action. Okay, so this is basically adding the ed also to most of the verbs that happened. So in this case, they're giving us an example. Learn plus ed equals learned. Okay, look plus ed equals looked. Okay, so those are the examples they're giving us when you add ed to a verb. Okay, when you talk about a past action, something that already passed. Okay, it's not in the present, it's not in the future, it's something that already passed. Okay, and we have more examples, like for example, um, play plus ed equals played. And what sentence will you make with that? We played the video game yesterday night. Okay, and also we watched movies with my family on Saturday evening, and it was fun. Okay, I'm adding more to the sentence. But basically things we do, guys, like daily, or things we familiarize with. This is basically where we add the ed. Okay, and basically, guys, this is the rules the book is giving us. And after this, then we do the practice of all of these verbs, and we will keep talking in the unit about this type of verbs, because we're going to study this on this unit. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care, and have a very good day.